Welcome to my dear students. Today we discuss about non-conventional energy resources. In this video, we discussing about the sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels through solar, wind, ocean, and geothermal technologies for a cleaner energy futures. First of all, we go the overview of the harnessing nature power. Non-conventional energy sources tap into the naturally rebalancing resources like sunlight, wind, water, and earth heat. Unlike fossil fuel, this is a technology offers sustainable power generation with minimum environmental impact. This unit explores the engineering principle, technology, and real-world application that are transforming the global energy system. The solar energy technology. We have this further classified solar thermal system, solar water heating, and solar cooling, solar distillations. Solar thermal system convert the sunlight directly into the heat energy using the flat and focusing collector for various applications. Solar water heater normally we can use our residence and a commercial system that heat water using the solar collector, reducing the electricity consumption in our home. Solar cooling, the absorption refrigeration system, powered by the solar heat, providing sustainable air conditioning system in our day-to-day life. Solar distillation, purify the water through the evaporation technology and then condensation using the solar energy for clean drinking water is a solar energy applications. Solar refrigerations, solar dryer, solar pond, solar thermal power. There's a few applications of solar energy. The solar refrigeration system, the vapor absorption system using the solar heat for food preservation and medical storage in remote areas. Solar dryer can generally use an agricultural drying system that preserve crops, reducing the post-harvest losses through controlled heating. And solar pond, large saltwater bodies that capture and store the solar heat in the lower layer for electricity generations. Solar thermal power, we can use concentrated solar power plant that generate through steam turbine using the focused sunlight as compared than flat type collectors. India's solar capacity has grown exponentially with major installation in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Karnataka, driving national energy goals. Next, we discuss about the different type of collectors. There's a flat type collector and a focusing collector. Simple design with absorb plate and glassing. It has compared and focusing because of the high efficiency at the lower temperature application. They have cost effective for water heating. Suitable for residential installation. It's a flat type collector. We can go with the focus collector. It goes the parabolic mirror concentrate sunlight. Achieve high temperature as compared than flat type collector. It goes the 300 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Used for power generation. A flat type collector is generally not used for the power generation. Because some tracking system focus the sun movement, then only the efficiency of focusing collector much better than flat type collectors. Next we discuss about the wind energy system. Wind energy system is mainly required for wind flow areas. There are more type of windmills, traditional horizontal axis and modern vertical axis design convert wind kinetic energy into the mechanical power. The wind rotor design is a main focus on the various blade configuration, optimize the energy capture across the different wind speed and condition. The wind electric power generated the system to convert rotational energy into the electrical energy with the help of generator, and is feeding the power grid and used with some specified applications. Advanced wind turbine technology is a Aries rotor is a normal traditional type. Now Chauvinist rotor describe the advanced wind technology should be produce more electrical energy as compared to traditional wind turbine means. When looking at India in wind power technology, we are producing capacity 43 gigawatt and annual addition is 1200 megawatt. We can produce per unit of wind energy 4 to 5 rupees is less than traditional electrical power charges. Major wind state in our India, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka produce a major wind power in our India. Economic of wind farm depending upon the wind resources assessment, turbine technology, grid connectivity and government incentives. Capacity utilization factor typically range from the 20 to 25%. Next is one of the most important and future energy sources ozone energy resources. Is further classified ozone wave energy, ozone thermal energy, and tidal energy. In India, we are focusing only on the ozone thermal energy. Nowadays, a initial stage. On developed country, there are cropping the electrical energy through ozone energy resources. Ozone wave energy should be capture the kinetic energy from the surface wave using the accelerating water column, point observer and attenuator. Wave energy convert and transform wave motion into the electrical energy. Ozone thermal energy explore the temperature difference between the warm water surface and the cold deep ocean water. The closed cycle system used ammonia as a working fluid to drive the turbine. Tidal energy harness a gravitational pull of moon and sun and ozone tides. Tidal barrier and underwater turbine generate the predictable and reliable renewable power. Finally, we discuss about geothermal energy and energy plantation. Geothermal energy, the earth internal heat produce continuous power generation through the steam extraction from the underground reservoir. The geothermal power plant operate 24/7 minimum environmental footprint with a normally carbon emission. Because some advantages should be dry steam and flash steam power plant is a classified binary cycle system for the lower temperature, direct use for the heating and the industrial process. Energy plantation is nothing but fast growing biomass crops like ecosystem, bamboo and jatropha. It's all the trees plant in the area is called energy plantation. Although students should be understand the non-conventional energy sources and then availability, and India focusing on wind energy and as well as the solar plant system. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, kindly give your comment the questions in chat box. Thank you students for listening this video.